Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the payment method in the HotelTonight application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and at the your information section, click on the payment button. And as you can see, for me, Apple Pay is the current payment method, but you can add more payment methods. You can add a credit or a debit card, and you can connect the application to PayPal. So just click on the one that you want to use. And then you have to set up the new payment method by giving first the credit card number, and then the expiry date, so the month and the year, and lastly the CVV code, which is a 3-letter code at the back of your card. And then you have to set the country, of course, and then just click on the add card button to add the payment method. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.